Wait, did crypto just get approved for buying a home? Yep, that's just what happened. Hey, it's Hugo here from Chicago Real Estate Expert in Lakeview, Chicago. And if you're holding crypto and thinking about buying a home, this video is for you. Starting on July 1st of 2025, Fannie Mae officially began allowing cryptocurrency to be used as an asset to qualify for a mortgage, just like stocks and just like bonds. And while Freddie Mac hasn't officially updated their selling guide at the time of this recording, they're expected to follow very soon. So based on internal industry updates that I'm reading about. So what does this mean for you? If you have crypto and it's verifiable in your account, like a Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini, a custodial wallet, it can now count towards your assets while applying for a Fannie Mae-backed mortgage. It must be held in the United States, regulated by a financial institution, converted to US dollar before closing, and seasoned. You must show ownership over at least 2 to 3 months via state, so no funny business there. Fannie Mae has updated their guide, so if you want to take a look, there's a website where you can click on it and read for yourself. But you'll find the crypto change under this section titled Crypto Assets as a Source of Funds, effective all applications submitted on or after July 1st of 2025. So no, you can't not just take a screenshot of your MetaMask wallet and say, trust me, bro, I got documentation that this crypto is mine. No, it's not going to work that way, people. You have to share verification from your currency wallet, and it has to be verified. But this is huge news, especially for the younger buyers, digital entrepreneurs, or even investors sitting on crypto who never thought they could buy a mortgage with this. So this unlocks a new door, literally, but don't go buying Dogecoin or meme coins or any of that stuff to get it. Still, you need to be at the right type of account and follow the guidelines. So if you're in Chicago or in the suburbs and you want to use crypto as part of your down payment or assets, give me a call. I'll connect you with the right lender who knows how to do it the right way, okay? Because this is all new, so you need the right people and the right team on your side. Give me a call, send me a text at 773-550-4846.